I'm going to show you how to extract zip files and folders in Windows 11. So as you can see in front of us, I have a compressed zipped folder here. Now there are two ways we can go about extracting this because currently as it's a zipped folder, you cannot really access the files that are inside correctly as they are compressed. So the two methods are either we double click the folder and then press the three dots above all of the files here and then click extract all. Or my preferred method is if we go back out, is simply to right click on the compressed folder here, then select extract all. Once you do that, you'll be able to select where you want the unzipped folder to go. I would suggest just keeping it in the same directory that it currently is in, unless you specifically want to move it around. And for ease of use, I would advise that you press show extracted files when complete, as all that means is it will bring up a separate box as soon as extraction has been finished. So after we've pressed extract, we can see that the folder has now been uncompressed and we have access to all of the files here. If we go back one level, and as you can see, we have both of the folders. We have the original compressed zipped file folder here, and then we have the uncompressed folder here with access to all of our files. It's also important to know that if you would actually prefer to add more files or new files to a already made zipped folder, it's very simple to do. All you do is you select the files that you want, and if you just drag them into the zipped file, and it will put them straight in there.